Hello, welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. I just wanted to pop up and introduce my club to those people who have not heard of it and have not yet joined. So I'll tell you why I've set up a club and I'll tell you what's in it for you. So I've been on YouTube now for 4 years making videos which seem to be going down very well, and I have nearly 33,000 subscribers. Thank you very much for being there. Okay, YouTube for the last 2 years have been encouraging me to charge for memberships, which is where you pay me money and have exclusive content, and they suggest a figure somewhere between £3 and £5 a month. I've decided I can do better than that, so I've set up my own club off YouTube through my website, markshousegarden.com. You can go and have a look at it, but in summary, what you get for the money, and I'll tell you how much it is in a moment, is a monthly newsletter from me. You get that in the form of a PDF so that you can read it, or a video so that you can view it. It's exclusive for club members. You also get some exclusive content. We call it the mid-month drop. Around about the middle of the month, an exclusive video for club members' eyes only. You also get entered into my giveaway gift bundle, my monthly prize draw. And this would be the thing that I think I'd get excited about the most. So the background to the draw is, all the time now I'm getting offered products to review. I ask for two, one for me to review and one to give away to a club member. So for example, this box here, which is going in the April prize draw, is a wildlife trail camera worth over £50, and I got given 3 of those. I've already given 2 away. In April, I'm giving away the 3rd. I'll tell you a little bit more about it. So the prizes largely come from product providers and suppliers who ask me to do reviews. So it's about adding value for viewers. Now, Gerri and I, my colleague who's also running the club with me, she deals with all the GDPR, the data protection and all that stuff. We sometimes put some prizes in ourselves, and that's what we've done here. So I've got a couple of extra prizes for the April draw. So that's the club. Please do have a look at it. Thank you for having a look at it, and thank you for your support. If you join, you fill in a form, you pay £12, you're in for 12 months. We've been going now for 4 months, so it's going really well. Let me talk to you about the prizes for the 1st of April. A wildlife trail camera from Izika. Got motion sensor, night vision. I've had foxes, hedgehogs, all kinds of birds, ducks which are nesting in my garden on that. It's wonderful. It's great for all the family. You can buy one if you want, or you can join my club for the chance to win one. So that's from Izika. Thank you, Izika. Next, a mini cutter from Snapfresh. When I say mini cutter, it's basically a battery powered pair of scissors, and you put your thing, and it's got a rotating wheel and it acts like a pair of scissors. There's a review video on my channel if you want to see it in a bit more depth. But it's wonderful. I tried it on very thick carpet, went through it like butter. You can use it on polythene, cardboard when you're doing your recycling, opening envelopes, a whole range of different manner of things. So that's going in the drawer on the 1st of April. A club member will be getting that in April. Now, the 2 prizes that Gerri and I have decided to add. The reason we're adding these is because I did videos on these recently and it went down really well. They were very popular. So, horticultural potting grit. I did a video, the benefits of horticultural potting grit in the garden, and it was a very popular video. I have an Amazon shop. I think I sold about 54 bags of it through my Amazon shop. It went down so well, I've decided to give one away in the prize draw in April. That will come to you from Amazon. We'll order it through my Prime account and it will come to you in the post. Okay. And it's good stuff. So that will be one of the prizes. And the 4th prize for April is my wonderful little grubbing hoe. I said in a video recently that this was the most useful tool in my shed. And I think it is. It's a wonderful thing. You can use it for raking, weeding, scraping, reaching things out of a tree, scratching your back. Wonderful. It's like my right hand. So there we go. 4 lovely little prizes for club members. Have a look, join up if you can. You also get the newsletter, the exclusive content, the prize draw, and discount codes when we get given them. Hope you've enjoyed that. I really would appreciate it if you could at least just have a look at the club and sign up, if you wouldn't mind. Fill in a form, pay £12, you're in for 12 months. Couldn't be much simpler than that. I'll see you soon for some more Mark's House and Garden UK Club adventures. Bye for now.